Hey guys, so today is the day that I go to the Rum Festival. I've been wanting to do this from last year. I didn't get the chance, to experience some of the different foods that are going to be there. Drink some. A joke. I mean, season I won't be drinking any of that. So, stay tuned, guys. Hope to experience all the foods that are there. So hopefully, I brought enough money. So I'll show you guys when I'm there. Just tag along with me. Yeah, so just reach. We just get a parking. Carry a chair. Essential, critical and crucial, So yeah. Yo, how much you say? I think this is a 450. When we come back. Alright, eh? Yeah. Food runner. Yeah. So you guys go check it out on YouTube. Yeah, so we just reached the Rum Festival. Go for drink some rum. You see me, rum in my cup. A jug empty. And it's a food. My turn. Ready? So first up, I think this is Sharky's. So since they say when I reach close, I just show you the menu. That's what we're getting. But this is the Sharky's food truck, and this is where we start the evening. I think we're gonna get the shrimp marinara pasta. I'm done with it.
Okay.
It's a shrimp marinara pasta. Yeah. One of the best pasta you ever eat. You guys should definitely try this. Go to Sharky's in Ochi or wherever they are and get this. The shrimp marinara pasta.
Nice.
What up, bro?
Two of them?
I heard you telling me.
Oh, okay, cool. The two of them, that's 2,000, alright?
It's a grilled cheese sandwich. So it's macaroni and cheese, chimichurri, and bacon jam.
This is the what? Bacon jam.
Bacon jam.
Macan jam, bacon jam.
Mac
Because if
jam
it tastes
bam.
good. Mac jam bam.
After these messages, we'll be right back.
Nice sandwich. Very sweet, lovely. I definitely gonna buy one more. So when
You
you're ready
try.
again,
Or you
get
can
try.
just say, may
Okay,
I
I
have one
want
of those?
what the wrap name? Rum mayo ham wrap. Yeah, that one. Yes, sir. Where you going with the video? Okay. So we have
What's that insert?
breadfruit chips. The rum mayo ham right here. Looking very lovely.
In
my
my
plate.
night.
And you see? Yeah, so we try the breadfruit chips now. By the way, they are stuff in face. It's kind of like a cold sandwich. But it's kind of spicy. And it's about to make my head scratch me. But all in all, it tastes good. It's kind of like a cold sandwich. I said I expected it to be hot, but still nice just to see.
What we gotta do? video vlog. So the second day of Rum Festival was bomb.com. Like, listen,
Yeah, it was lit.
grown up things, grown and sexy and beauty.
Yeah.
Mama tell you,
Lady, it was in the car.
it was very good.
One bag of nice food, one bag of big artists.
You know,
only for $2,500.
Where's it? Where's it?
Cape Town, done it.
Cape Town done it, yeah, so
Sometime.
it was lit.
Hello.
So yeah,
The food
That was
was
it.
great. The drinks were awesome. And let me tell you, we are rum people. Big up
Yeah.
on yourself. Appleton all the time.
alright guys, so thanks for watching. See you.
Appleton sponsor us.
See you on the next video. We're out.